Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code with PK. So in this class I will tell you width and height in CSS and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So now let's start the video. So I will tell you in my intro, I will tell you width and height in CSS. So first of all I will be open my Sublime text editor. Okay. I will be go here, Sublime text editor. So then it will be open, then I will be erase it and I will be save. So I will be go to the here. So it will be, I will be close it and I will be opening my new Sublime text editor. And now I will be go to the file shape and here I will be write index.html file, yes, and here I will be shape style.css file onto the desktop where my HTML file is saved. And now first of all I will be side by side it and I will be open that and then side by side and I will be open my check. Now first of all here I will be write HTML and it will be coming and here you can write width and height. And I will be telling you what is width and height. First I will make one button. First of all here we can write width and height. Then I will be made up one button and here we can write type shall be text and here we can write read more and then save, then refresh. So one button is coming. I will be telling you width and height in that button. What is width and height? First of all I will be go here. Here I will be write like font family will be Poppins, comma and serif, and here we can write font size will be 40 pixels, save and refresh. So it is okay. And now here I will be go here and here I will be write like link with style.css, save and refresh. So it is coming like that. Here you can see it. And here we can go up and here we can write text align should be center. So I will tell you what is width and height. So width and height is like here you can, sorry, not font size should be accurate. I will be erased. So now I will be telling you what is width and height. Width means like you can give width should be 15 pixels. 15 pixels, it is coming like that. You can give 150 pixels, save, refresh, it is coming like that. Means it will be width means it will be longer. Okay, here we can write 200, so it will be all or longer. And here we can write 250 pixels, so it will be all longer. You can write 300, so it will all longer. Okay, width means your button is should be longer. And what is height means? Height means you can write 250 pixels height. So height means it will become a bigger, means in that size it will come the bigger. Okay, and you can give like 300, so it is coming in 300, like 300, save, refresh, so it is coming like 300. So that it is a width and height to use. You can give 350 pixels, save, refresh, it is coming like that. That is the width and height. You can give width means longer, height means shorter, and that. Okay, so in this class I will tell you width and height in CSS and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.